Agedashi-dofu is a Japanese way to eat hot tofu which is coated with potato starch and deep fried. It's so delicious with grated daikon, chopped green onion, and special sauce. I show you today air-fried agedashi-dofu. It's air-fried, so I don't use any oil. That's why healthy air-fried tofu. I hope you like it. I put the recipe and ingredients in the end of the movie for your later use. Let's get started. At first, wrap the tofu with paper towels to drain water. Place another plate or bowl on top of the tofu. Let it sit for 15 minutes to drain water from tofu. During the time, let's preheat the oven, prepare for the garnish, and make sauce. Preheat air fryer at 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. For garnish, clean daikon and remove skin and grate daikon. This is just for information. You can buy this grater at Daiso, which is $1.5 store in America. It's a Japanese company and popular in Japan too. The quality is good for the price. For another garnish, cut up green onion. Let's make sauce. Put dashi powder, water, soy sauce, and mirin in a small pot. And bring to boil. When the sauce is boiling, turn off the heat and set aside. Let's get back to the tofu. 15 minutes later, remove the tofu from paper towels. Cut the tofu into 6 pieces. Coat the tofu with potato starch. Make sure you dust the tofu with plenty of potato starch. Since the air fryer is preheated already, place the tofu in the air fryer basket. And heat the tofu in the basket at 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes. You don't need any oil here. This is air-fried tofu. The outside of tofu is crispy because of the potato starch. The inside is soft and mild. To serve, place the tofu in a serving bowl. Garnish the tofu with grated daikon and green onion. Pour the special sauce over it gently. This is done. Agedashi-dofu. Itadakimasu. This Japanese appetizer is very delicious. You can enjoy the different types of texture. The outside of tofu is crunchy without sauce, but with sauce, it's thickened. And it took less than 25 minutes. For the first 15 minutes, drain water from the tofu, preheat non-fryer, and make sauce and garnish. In the other 7 minutes, your air fryer air-fried tofu. Finally, check the recipe and ingredients here. for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またね